Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the MSI Alpha 15 and what's inside of it. This device's bottom panel is held in place by 13 Phillips head screws. After you undo them, pry the panel with a plastic tool, and remove it from the chassis. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you. We are impressed by the 90 watt-hours battery pack this laptop comes with. Memory-wise, you get 2 RAM SODIMM slots for up to 64 GB in total, working in dual channel. As for the storage, you get 2 M.2 PCIe X4 slots. Finally, there is the cooling. MSI uses only 2 heat pipes for the CPU. On the other hand, the graphics card is cooled by 3 heat pipes, 2 of which are also used to cool the VRMs. There is an additional heat pipe for the graphics memory. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.